Are you looking for a Mother's Day gift idea? Then you are right here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful doll made with foamy. This Mother's Day craft will make a perfect gift to tell your mother just how special she is by making handmade personalized Mother's Day doll with little bit of your imagination. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creations. If you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so when I upload a new video, you are the first one to know. Give this video a big thumbs up and watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. So let's get started without wasting time. For this you will need take foam ball, cut this way and paste this on this cream foamy this way with the help of hot glue as shown. Please be very careful while using hot glue, you may burn your finger. Now shape this blue foamy to make her blouse and with help of hot glue paste it as shown. Press it for a while. Now cut the blue foamy this way and place it on her waist and with the help of hot glue paste it. Here I took this beautiful rectangle Turkish net cloth and with the help of needle and thread stitch it as shown. Now here the same way stitch it. Turn it around and place it this way. Adjust and now tie a knot. To secure properly, apply hot glue this way. Now make blouse with Turkish net and place and paste it with the help of hot glue. Take small piece of Turkish cloth and double it and stitch this way. Place on her waist, paste it with hot glue. And attach both her hands with hot glue. Now take a ball and square piece of cream foamy, warm it this way with iron and place it on top of the ball and press it downwards like this. Now cut this way with scissor to make it even. Take a small piece of brown foamy and cut it as shown this way. Warm it with iron as shown. Place here and with hot glue paste it. Arrange and keep on repeating. You can find more interesting and similar videos on this channel. For this, click the I button on the top or the link is in the description below. I'm sure that if you make and give this to your mom, she will love it. Don't forget to mention below, Happy Mother's Day. And yes, my friends, this doll you can gift on any occasion like Valentine, birthday, Friendship's Day. Now take a small stick and a small piece of cream foamy, roll it over and paste it this way with hot glue. Fix it like this. Now with acrylic colors, make her face. Her makeup is done. Now hold it all together one by one and paste it with hot glue. Hold it this way and paste it. Keep on adjusting and paste it. Your doll is ready to gift your mom. paste on any box like this and you can fill the box with chocolates or any gift you like. Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you make, please share with me on any of my social media with hashtag Sangeeta's Creations. Don't forget to comment down below. Happy Mother's Day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your family and friends. Thank you so much for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.